do believe semiconductors and as well as equipment names will be beneficiaries, particularly if Apple does go forward with this agreement with Hyundai Kia. I do believe semiconductor content will grow exponentially given the potential demands that are out there for the Apple car.
And Patrick, you're even willing to name some names. Which companies are you looking at, and why, and how are you choosing them?
Yeah, I think as you look down the food chain from semiconductors to the equipment side of things, I really think the equipment industry will be one of the biggest beneficiaries because of new capacity expansion that is needed. So names that I do like that will benefit from this include Applied Materials, KLA Core, and Lam Research.
Steph, do you like this potential announcement for Apple?
I do. I mean, I think it's going to take a very long time to kind of see how it all plays out. We don't even have a timeline. Well, we don't even have an announcement, right? But it's been great reporting by Phil, for sure. I do like the semi-cap equipment companies. I happen to own Lam Research. I think that the autonomous vehicle market, total addressable market, goes from $56 billion last year to $556 billion by 2026. That's a 39% CAGR. And clearly, the wafer fab equipment numbers are going to have to go up as well, and that's a benefit for someone like a Lam Research. Great quarter, beat and raise, still a cheap stock, so I like the call.
Morgan Stanley analyst Katie Huberty wrote very bullishly about the size of the potential market here, getting into mobility and saying it's a $10 trillion market. Smartphones are a $500 billion market, Patrick, and Apple only needs a 2% share of this market to be the size of their iPhone business. How do you think about the size and scope of what Apple could do here and what that might mean for your group?
I tend to agree, at least with the magnitude of the numbers we're talking about. Remember, Apple is great in innovation. They transformed the smartphone market, basically created it when they introduced the iPhone. I'm not saying that Apple will do that for the car or the electric vehicle market, but given their track record of innovation and their investment capabilities, this is a much larger opportunity that, yes, if they only get a small percentage of that marketplace, it's still going to be a significant revenue and earnings generator for the company. And I think that's a positive trickle-down effect, again, for the entire semiconductor food chain.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.